Alright, we now move on to the last question, 6, on heat. So take some time to read the question first. Alright, so here we have a diagram that shows 3 rods, rod X, Y, and rod Z. And they're all placed on a hot surface at the bottom here. So this whole thing is a hot surface. And on top of each rod, there's actually a ball of wax. So it was later stated that the wax on rod X melted first. So rod X is the first to melt the wax. The wax on rod X melted first, followed by Y, and last of all, Z. So the next part asks us to arrange according to how well they're able to conduct heat. So in order for it to melt first, it should be able to conduct heat the fastest. So looking at the results again, rod X, since it was the first to melt, hence rod X should be the best conductor of heat. So we're going to put rod X here. And the one that melts last is rod Z. So since rod Z melts last, it means that it took the longest time for heat to flow and pass through. So rod Z should be the poorest conductor of heat, as it does not allow heat to conduct easily. And this leaves us with Y to be the middle one. Alright, so using these results, let's move on to the next question. We have 3 materials, Z, Y, and X, and now we need to match them based on their conductivity. So we have 3 materials, wood, copper, and porcelain. And they ask you to identify materials that X, Y, and Z are made of. So we all know that metals are the best conductor of heat. So looking at the option here, metal is actually copper, so this should be X. And we all know that wood is the poorest conductor of heat since it does not heat to pass through easily. So hence Z is the wood. Porcelain is the material used to make your bowls and cups. And usually, even if you fill it with hot soup, you can still feel it from the outside of the bowl. So porcelain does allow heat to pass through, but it does not conduct heat as fast compared to copper, a metal. So hence, rod Y should be made of porcelain. So that's it.